Getting started on the Clearblue Me app is easy. Click Continue to create a secure account. Important: don't forget to create your account and set your testing schedule at least one day before you want to start testing. First, enter your email address. Then choose a password. There are tips to help you create a strong one. Read the terms and conditions and privacy and health data policies by pressing the links. Go to your email inbox. Click the link emailed to you within 24 hours to verify your account. Now you've reached the About Me section and can add in your personal data.